Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to access and use Spotify DJ AI. To start using the DJ AI, firstly open the App Store or Play Store in your mobile device. Here, search for Spotify. Once you find it, tap on it to see if there are any recent updates available. If it is available, update your app to its latest version. Once it is updated, tap to open the Spotify app. Here, tap on Music from your top left corner. You will find Spotify DJ AI. Now, enjoy your music by using it. Spotify's AI DJ feature merges the power of artificial intelligence with music curation, resulting in a personalized listening experience. It takes into account your music preferences, listening habits, and the time of day to create playlists that feel both fresh and familiar. As you continue to enjoy music, Spotify's AI DJ refines its recommendations, striking a harmonious balance between your favorite tracks and exciting discoveries. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.